Hands alongside by the hips and knees bent. Drawing the right knee in toward the chest. And trying to keep the right foot roughly in alignment with the opposite knee. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, draw back the belly and pull up the pelvic floor. Inhale to prepare, expand ribs. As you exhale, draw the belly, pull up the pelvic floor. Extend the leg away from you toward the end of your mat. Inhale, draw the leg back. Exhale, reach away. Inhale, drawing the leg back in. Exhale, reach away. Inhale, coming back in. Exhale, away. Inhale, expand ribs. Exhale, drawing belly. Inhale, expand the ribs. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Release. The side, left knee towards the chest. Exhale, reach away. Inhale, coming back in. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale. And when you do this as well, ensure that this right knee doesn't wobble from side to side. You don't want to feel any aching in your back. If you do, it's too much for you, have a little rest. Or don't extend the leg out so far. Last one. Release. If any tension is in the lower back, bring the knees in towards the chest and gently rocking from side to side.